Hey everyone, welcome to DataMillennials. I'm Atul and in this video we are going to discuss about the if condition statement inside the for loop. So in our previous video we have seen the for loop inside a if conditional statement. In this video we will be doing opposite. We will be checking the if conditional statement inside the for loop. So as we know that the for loops helps us to iterate over a block of code for a specific or certain number of times, and an if conditional statement inside a for loop is commonly used to filter item or perform a specific action based on condition. Each iteration for the for loop can include different operation depending on whether the if condition is satisfied or not. So let's take a simple example that will compute the length of the given string while ignoring the spaces, and will print out the length of the given string. Okay, so first of all we'll take the string value from the user. So for that we'll put our variable user input. In this we are going to ask for the string value from the user, so I'm simply going to put input and then I'm going to write please enter the string value, and then I'm going to initialize a variable count equal to 0, and with this variable we are going to keep the length of the string or incrementing the character by character length of the string. Okay, now I am going to use a for loop saying that for each letter in user input, go and check if each letter value is not equal to a space, then increase the count variable value to 1, sorry, by 1 basically. And once our entire string is covered, then come out of this for loop and print the length. The length of the string is count. Okay, so let's run this first. So I have to give a string value, so I'm gonna put my name over here. So I have 4 and then 5 letter, so total 9 letters I have. The moment I press enter, I can see the length of the string is 10, but my name has only 9, so it's taking this space also, so I need to put space over here. Let's run it again. I'm gonna put my name and again run it. So now we have the length of the string is 9. So what's happening in this program basically? So we are taking the input from user. We have a variable in our memory which is count, and we are initializing it with 0. Then for each letter by letter we are going and checking whether this letter is equivalent to the white space or a space. If it is not, then increase the count variable with 1, and once the length of this entire string is covered, then come out of this for loop and print the actual value of count which is present in the memory. So with this program we can observe that whenever there is a space is present in the string, then it is not getting counted as the character and the count variable is not incremented. Hence the result consists of only the numbers of letter in the string. So this is how basically you can use the if conditional statement inside a for loop. Happy learning and see you in the next video.